Yo mga men, gusto niyo ba magkalaman ng Gcash nyo? Panoorin nyo to kung paano ang life hack natin. Watch this. Punta kayo sa Gcash app and then open. Click nyo tong A plus reward. Pag nag-open siya, X nyo lang to. And then check in. Sa daily check-in, may lalabas dyan na you won, cashback. And then swipe mo lang papuntang right. Confirm to redeem now. Only click redeem now to get the voucher code when you are ready to redeem. Otherwise, the voucher will be marked as redeem. The voucher code cannot be reused if you have redeemed it at merchant by clicking redeem now. And then click nyo lang ang claim. Tapos may lalabas dyan, hang in. And then click nyo lang tong arrow papunta sa right. Pag na-click nyo yan, claim now. And then claim ulit. And then magiging kulay gray na yung check-in. Punta kayo sa balance nyo. Papasok na siya.